Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoViews, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So today I have got something special for you. Yes, I have recently purchased this Zebronics wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Super excited to unbox it, test it out and share my honest review with you all. So let's drive it right now. So here's our box. You can see Zebronics wireless keyboard and mouse combo Z Companion 111. And it has 2.4 GHz wireless plain plug nano receiver power saving mode. And on the back here we can see some specifications like it has 12 integrated multimedia keys, 103 keys, DPI up to 800 to 1600, 4 buttons, UV printed keycaps. Yes, and here you can see it comes in 2 colors, so let's check it out in which color we have got. I have ordered for black and red color, so let's see how it will come. Here's our keyboard. So here it is guys, the packaging is very simple and nice. Here we got our wireless keyboard. As you can see, it is in red color, and here our optical sensor mouse, and here in the back we got this USB nano receiver. Now let's check out this keyboard right away. It's lightweight, slim and has a full layout with multimedia keys on top, and the keys feels very soft, low profile and very comfortable for long typing sessions. Definitely feels user friendly guys. And on the side you can see it has number pad also with 3 indicators of num, caps and scroll. And here's our mouse, very ergonomic. As you can see, it fits nicely in the hand. It comes with 3 buttons with scroll wheel, DPI up to 1600 we got here. And yes, the scroll wheel hand supports a high precision optical sensor for smooth tracking, but there is no forward and backward buttons on the side. And the back here we have to insert the battery cells, and this mouse also wireless connectivity with 2.4 GHz. Overall, this first impressions, it looks stylish, minimal and get ready to blend with any desk setup. On the back of the keyboard, this we have to insert the battery cells. Alright, times to test the real test. I am inserting the AA battery, and here you can see it is on, same as for the keyboard. Alright, time to test this combo. First, the keyboard typing feels smooth. Here you can see it's not so louder clicks, but okay, perfect for work or study environment. No noticeable lags. Yes, very responsive keys. Now let's test this mouse. Super responsive guys. The mouse is performing very smooth cursor movement and precise clicks. I didn't feel any lags, any errors. Super useful, very fast and responsive, both of this. So let's quickly talk about what I liked and what could be better. So about its pros, it is very lightweight, compact design, plug and play, no setup required, smooth typing, being a responsive mouse, multimedia hotkeys for quick access, and affordable and value for money. If you want to know the price, so you can go on official website or go on search on Flipkart or Amazon. You can find the current pricing. So I have recently ordered, so maybe it will change the price and all, so that's why I'm not giving actual price. So about its cons, no backlight on the keyboard and battery operated. Mouse is basic, not for heavy gaming. So guys, this Zebronics Z Companion 111 wireless keyboard and mouse combo is a perfect budget friendly option if you are looking for a clean wireless setup for office work and want a stylish for your study and casual use, and stylish, compact, reliable, definitely worth it for money. So alright guys, that was my unboxing and testing and reviewing of the Zebronics Z Companion 111 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our TechnoViews channel and click on that bell icon so you can never miss any updates. And thanks for watching.